Welcome to the third episode of the Failure Podcast. We are continuing talking about the book On Failure by Alain de Botton. In Alain de Botton's book, he delves into the profound impact of failure and the often harsh nature of human interactions. He highlights how society promotes politeness, yet individuals can act ruthlessly, especially online. This can strain relationships and lead to feelings of hurt and hopelessness. Understanding these reactions can help people cope with failure, fostering empathy and resilience. De Botton critiques the media's portrayal of scandals, arguing that it criminalizes individuals without recognizing their humanity. He advocates for empathy and understanding, emphasizing that everyone has flaws. This perspective can help us accept ourselves and others more compassionately. He differentiates between pity and empathy, suggesting that while sympathy can be comforting, it can also feel patronizing. He encourages promoting empathy by reminding friends that hardships can affect anyone. De Botton also offers strategies for interacting with successful friends post-failure, suggesting that acknowledging envy is natural and seeking connections with those who share similar struggles can help regain self-worth. In the digital age, mistakes can be immortalized online, leading to eternal infamy. De Botton advises embracing forgetfulness and adapting to societal reactions over time. He challenges traditional notions of love, arguing that true love involves empathy and sacrifice, fostering healing and compassion. De Botton explores forgiveness, highlighting a cognitive bias where individuals forget their own flaws while harshly judging others. He emphasizes practicing forgiveness and understanding our imperfections to foster a kinder world. He offers practical strategies for coping with failure, such as changing one's name, relocating, and distancing from judgmental friends. He also suggests pursuing meaningful work and incorporating traditional Chinese wisdom of retreating to nature for reflection and healing. Finally, de Botton stresses the importance of parents being open about their failures with their children, fostering resilience and a healthier perspective on challenges. He advocates for a culture that allows individuals to confess their wrongs without fear of harsh judgment, promoting self-reflection and growth. By adopting a cosmic perspective and recognizing our insignificance in the universe, individuals can find peace and understanding after failure. De Botton uses examples like Oscar Wilde to illustrate how love and compassion should extend to those who have erred, fostering a more compassionate society. Thank you for listening to the short brief of the third episode of the Failure Podcast. I hope you enjoyed it. You can find the podcast on various platforms and share your thoughts via the provided email. Goodbye.